Hey guys, how are you doing today? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. In today's video, I wanted to stop by and talk to you guys about another product that I am trying that I love and that I've been using for a while now. I'm going to say social media made me do it because I was minding my own business, guys, living fabulous. And of course, you've seen these infomercials of what I call them that come through your social media, and I thought they were so hilarious, guys. So I decided to order some of it, and it's called Lume, guys. Lume Deodorant. I decided to order Lume Deodorant. It's a 72-hour odor control. You can use it on your whole body, on your pits, your feet, your private area. But guys, tell me that you have seen these commercials come through your Facebook or your Instagram, and when it comes through is these cute little adorable ladies describing how they put it in their private parts, and they put it under their underarms, they put it all under their rolls and all these extra places, and how it keeps down the odor. But you do have to bathe. That's my disclaimer. You do have to still bathe. You do have to still wash. You get up to 72 hours worth of odor control, which is the truth and nothing but the truth. And normally in places where you normally sweat, uncontrollably, this Lume deodorant, if you go to their website, you check it out and see what they have on there. But it does help. Lume is good. I like Lume. I've tried so many different deodorants in my lifetime, and I really, really like how this controls odor. I really am a huge fan of Lume. So thank you, Lume, for making this. It's aluminum free. It's baking soda free. It's naturally scented. And like I said, you can put it on all your parts. It stops the stink for up to 72 hours straight. It's invented by a doctor. It's naturally derived and skin-safe synthetics. It's safe for any external use. So go to their website, check out their website. But I definitely want to do my review on this product because I have enjoyed using it. And once you put it on, there's this dryness. It's perfect. So thank you, Lume. I love it. I just want to stop by and do a quick review on Lume deodorant. Thank you, Lume. Have a good day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so very much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Hope you guys are having a super fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Love you. Bye.